Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to apply noise to your artwork in the app Hipaint. So let's get started. Here I am going to my Hipaint app and here I am going to import the image. So instead of opening an empty canvas, new canvas, I am going to just open the image for which I am going to apply the noise. If you have already made an artwork, you can create a new layer above all the layers and apply the the noise. So here there are two ways that you can apply noise. First one, you just have the image, and here when you click on the three dot and on the second option you can find noise. So just simply clicking on that can able to apply. Here I am on the layer where we have the image and I'm going to apply the noise. So this is the first way you can apply noise, but in this you have to adjust the amount of noise only through these noise strength parameter. If you want very lighter, obviously we just want a minimal amount of texture to your art, so we will keep this something like this. And also you can zoom in, zoom out. I want more texture but it's not going to be bigger one, so I want very minute grains noise on the artwork, so I'm keeping it minimal, and the strength it's going to be minimal. So this is the first way you can apply the texture to noise to your artwork, but the thing is you cannot adjust the noise after you applied it. So this is the first way. I don't prefer this way of applying noise to your artwork, and the second way I'll show you how. So I just erased that. I'm going to delete this image because we have already applied noise. So using this import in picture option, I'm going to import the image, same artwork again. So here it is. Okay, we have this artwork and now we want to apply the noise. So just moving this artwork to the lower layer, and on the upper layer I'm going to apply the color. So either you can choose the colors based on your wish or which go well along with this artwork. So here I'm going to choose two color. One is aqua blue and another one is yellow color. So on different layers I'm going to apply this color, and I will let you know how things work differently based on the color and blending mode and noise, everything, how it all together work to create the perfect one. So here I just switched off that yellow color layer, and on the aqua blue layer I'm just beyond that layer and switch that switched on that noise, and here I'm applying noise. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to adjust the opacity. If you just adjust the opacity, it looks blurry like this. If you want something like this, if you're okay with this, just you can go with that, or you can play with the blending modes. Here if you go to blending modes, you can come up with different result, different outcome which are totally different and unique. You may not know this will be so good if we try this blending mode. So just don't hesitate to try these blending modes. So here you can see for each and every blending mode the results are different. The texture, the visibility of that noise, everything looks different based on the blending modes. So here you can see for each and every blending mode along with the color that we use, the results are totally different. So likewise, this is color dodge blending mode, and now I'm going to do the same thing with yellow color. So again same noise, and I'm going to change the blending mode. Here you can see I didn't change the opacity, I'm keeping it maximum and just changing the blending mode. and you can see how the color of the artwork varies when we change the blending mode. You can see it's not only about the noise texture, it's also about the different color combos that we can bring using this noise and blending modes. So here you can find a very minor different for each and every blending modes. Some blending modes gives very huge difference, like this you can see, and the texture is also on high. You can see how highly textured this is, and hue, and here you can see for hue it looks really good and different with black background and green color dinosaur. So yeah, this is how you have to apply noise to your artwork, and I prefer going for separate layer and applying color and then applying noise instead of just being on that artwork layer and applying noise. So here is my Hipaint playlist in my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, please check out all of these videos. You can find so many information. Thank you for watching. Bye.